Hello everyone. Welcome back to our new video. In this video, we will introduce the Phu Hin Rongkla National Park and share experiences after spending few nights in camping. Also visited Rongkla waterfalls with mountain views landscape in Thailand. It's around 468 kilometers from Bangkok City. This park situated mainly in Phitsanulok province, nearly 130 kilometers from Phitsanulok city center. This 307 square kilometers mountainous park extends east into Loei and Phetchabun provinces, nearly 40 kilometers from the Laotian border. There are no public transportation options driving through this park. The only options to get to the park are private arrangements, either a car or a guided tour. This road is very uphill if you intend to drive up with a sedan. Good to stop by from time to time and let the engine cool down. Also good to check the water levels in the car. Too many cars seen on the way uphill, giving up often steam coming out from front. It is a tough road for many cars. This National Park Visitor Center is open 8 a.m. until 5 p.m. every day, but it is possible to enter the park and camping ground 24 hours a day. As of June 2022, the entrance fees are 200 baht for adults and 100 baht for children 3 to 14 years old. Thai citizens pay 40 baht for adults and 20 baht for children. Cars charge 30 baht. We selected this location to set our tent. If you don't want to bring your tent, you can take park accommodations easily. There are tents available for rent from the visitor center. Tents for 2 to 3 packs cost 125 baht per night. Additional sleeping sets including a sleeping bag, a pillow, and a mat costs 60 baht per person. The price for the park accommodations range from 800 baht per night to 3 people up to 6,000 baht per night 30 people. A significant discount will apply when booked for Monday to Thursday. All accommodations are equipped with a water heater for showers. There are 2 restaurants in the vicinity of the visitor center in a short distance from the park accommodations and the campsite. They are normally open from 7 a.m. till about 8 p.m. The opening and closure times may be different on less busier days. You are recommended to ask a Thai-speaking person to call on your behalf for pre-booking this given phone number. The area has a smaller museum showcasing some artifacts from the CPT era, exhibiting items like medical instruments, Chinese anatomy charts, paintings of Mao Zedong and Joseph Stalin. You can rent charging lights and your necessary equipment nearby easily. We brought some stuff for our lunch and ice cubes. It's time to having our food now. Only toilet area and visitor center you can find electricity that you can charge electric devices. The camping ground and park accommodations are located a few hundred meters from the visitor center. There are tents, sleeping bags, and other accessories available for rent from the visitor center. There are several toilet and bathroom facilities spread out all over the huge camping group. If you want to stay in this place, you should follow few rules such as: do not make campfires, do not make noise, park your car in the parking area, use mosquito spray, etc. Throw garbage or rubbish in this selected area. You can wash your dishes in this specific location. Now let me tell you something about this national park. This park was an ideal place for guerrilla warfare and became a stronghold for Communist Party of Thailand CPT back in the 70s. The remains of their camps and hides are one of the main attractions of the park. Phu Hin Rongkla was declared as a national park in 1984, only 2 years after the defeat of the insurgents. The 1,794 meters tall Phu Thapuk is the highest mountain in the park in Loei province. The mountain range is part of the Luang Prabang Montani rainforest ecoregion that extends to 180 kilometers north along the Thai-Laos border to Luang Prabang in Laos. Most of the larger mammals in the park got extirpated during the war between the government and the communists. Although it is believed that few tigers still roam in the park, there is no evidence. The size of the park is simply not enough to hold a tiger population. There are also no immediate adjacent protected areas any eventual tigers may move between. Some rare sightings in the park are leopards, Panthera pardus, leopard cat, Asian black bear, Asian golden cat, hog badgers, Indo-Chinese seros, and barking deer, etc. During nighttime, people are not allowed to make noise. You can enjoy your moments. There are several toilet and bathroom facilities spread out all over the huge camping area. Men and women toilets are separate. It's very clear also. You can enjoy with your friends or family, but make sure that you are not disturbing others. Don't make any noise. Every place security guards are always patrolling around. This park is home to several impressive viewpoints and waterfalls. The park is also famous for its flowers and lush forests. After having our food, we will visit Paradorn Waterfall. One of the most characteristic attractions of the park is the strange rock formations in land intake area some 400 meters west from headquarters. Most of the park's attractions are easily accessible from the 37 kilometers long road between western and eastern checkpoints. Paradorn Waterfall only 5 minutes drive by car from camping area. There are few waterfalls in this park, most of them relatively easily accessible with short trails, some requiring up to 4 to 5 kilometers of hiking. Ram Clow and Paradon, both waterfalls are accessible by a nearly 1 kilometer long trail starting 5 kilometers from the park's headquarters. The trailhead is before the School of Military Politics on the left side. A second side trail downstream from Ramklau Waterfall leads to Paradon Waterfall. We finished this waterfall within short time because it was very dry and nothing to do much. If you have time, you can visit Ramklau, Mandeng, Sri Pakrin, Ganglet and Tadpha waterfall easily. This park has a number of impressive viewpoints, some along the roads, others accessible by relatively short stroll. Lon Hin Pum, Lan Hin Take, Thatborg viewpoints are famous in this national park. Now from Waterfall, our new destination is Phakurak. It's only few minutes drive from Waterfall. This is a botanical garden in Phuket National Park. Phakurak means Lover's Cliff. This flower garden is forest development project according to the Thai Royal Initiative of Phu Hin Rongkla National Park. A few good viewpoints in the park can be found near the Thapok checkpoint at the southeast side of the park. Entrance of this viewpoints have small market. We brought water, juice and snacks. There also have restaurants that you can find Thai foods and drinks. If you want to stay at night this viewpoint, you can rent room easily. This viewpoint is famous for its strange rock formations. Flowers Garden and the mountain viewpoint over the landscape west from the national park. Over 100 bird species have been reported from the park. The 1,794 meters tall Phu Thapuk is the highest mountain in the park in Loei Province. The mountain range is part of the Luang Prabang Montani rainforest ecoregion that extends to 180 kilometers north along the Thai and Laos border. One of the exciting sights within the area of Phu Hin Rong Kla National Park that welcomes for the tourist to visit. Part of the land is next to cliff offers a spectacular view for the tourist too. Enjoy the moment with the green and abundant forest of the national park without any blockage. The Titanic, the Pha Brak, the Bok Rak, the Kurak, the Rak Yuan Yang, and the Salad Rak are all creative titles of splendid precipice viewpoints that loftily stood in the property of Forestation. Development project under HM King Boomabal's initiative at Phu Hin Rong Kla. In the winter, the tourist will experience the highlight of the place that is vibrant straw flower, or also known as everlasting flower meadow in various color. The prime time of the year that you can see the most magnificent flower field. Here is from November to January. The national park offers 9 cottage-style accommodation to serve the tourist. That each one is about 5 to 7 guests with type hat 1,000 to 1,600 per night of charge and 20 packs 10 type with type hat 1,000 per night. Apart from that, a campsite tourist center, restaurant, and camping space included. Now we want to go back our campground area. We had noodle, seafood and chicken grills, vegetables. Rice and stirred fry carts have a handful of tables and menus with either some English, Thai food that my video help you to understand easily. This park also have emergency ambulance services and medical teams. All the local staff was very friendly and helpful. Everything was very nicely organized and prepared for visitors. Now we want to go back Bangkok, but it was very difficult to leave that place. My opinion, I want to visit that place again because lot of things we can do there and tourists attraction places I want to finish next time. Before leave your camping area you should clean nicely and throw all waste things at the selected area. Make sure your place is clean that next person can stay. Every day around 5 p.m. Countless street, the food vendors emerge to line either side of a long stretch of Phra Ong Dam Road. You'll find standards like fresh fruit, fried bugs and meats on sticks, but also Thai-style sandwiches, cakes, takeaway curries, and much more. The market atmosphere blankets this whole area after dark. But the official night market stretches into a large lot in the center of the action on Phra Ong Dam, along with the vendors selling sausages. Coconut ice cream and grilled corn are a handful of stalls devoted to cheap clothes and accessories. The lively scene attracts loads of university students and at least one pickup truck blasting Thai pop hits from huge speakers. If you're not up for grazing the market, Phra Ong Dam also hosts the more upscale Zumo Japanese barbecue and classy Vietnam house restaurants. This is also where you'll find P1 House and its excellent Thai restaurant and bar where you can settle into a vintage sofa to watch local musicians perform. Finally, we almost finished everything and arranged in our car, but that was totally messed up. Now we need to say goodbye to this Phu Hin Rong Kla National Park. Hope to see you again. Please let us know if you had any experience of visiting Thailand or where you want to visit next. Let's let other people know your experience about world's most famous places. If you like our video, don't forget to like or share. Also, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Remember, try to be safe yourself and always smile. We got to go now. See you in our next video. Thanks for staying with us.